My dear students, welcome back. A very good morning to one and all. I hope you and everything is fine and safe around you. Please stay at home, save yourself, family, and society. Thank you very much. Coming to the course Artificial Intelligence, in this, our concept is intelligent agents. Actually, from the last 5 or 6 sessions, we have discussed about the intelligent agents. In today's session, we will discuss about the part 4, the structure of agents. This is also called as different types of agents. In the previous sessions, we have covered the 3 parts. The first part is related to agents versus environments. The second part is related to the good behavior. In that, we are discussing about we are discussed about the concept of rationality. In the third concept, we have covered the concept the nature of environments. In that, we are discussed about 8 properties. What are the examples of those 8 properties? What is the difference between those properties? Okay, already we have covered. If you want, please go through the previous session videos. Now in today's session we will discuss about the structure of agents. Okay, so coming to the structure, what is the structure of an agent? Here an agent means, actually the agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through the sensors. Okay, with the help of sensors it will observe everything and acting upon the environment through actuators. It performs the actions through the with the help of actuators. Okay, in the structure of agent we are concentrate on. Now we will discuss about talk about how the insiding work of an agent. Up to now we are covered what is the meaning of agent, what is the meaning of rational agent, what are the rules of rational agent, how the rational agent thinking. Okay, in today's session we will discussing about the inside work. Okay, so far we have talked about agents by describing behavior, the action that is performed after any given sequence of percepts. In that point of view we covered one vacuum cleaner agent example. We cover all these points, how what is the thinking, what is the performance measure, what are the 4 roles participated in the vacuum cleaner world. Okay, those points already we covered. Now we will have to bite the bullet and talking about the inside working of what is the inside working. Based on the inside working, now we will decide the particular agent is related to which category. Okay, so the job of artificial intelligence is to design the agent program that implements the agent function, mapping percepts to actions. Definitely the agent means working to the graph architecture and program. Here what is the working of architecture? Suppose here our aim is to implement one robot means as usually as a human. Okay, in that point of view the human structure as it is we will implement in the robot, that is the architecture of robot. So how that robot is working? Definitely that is working based on the inbuilt functions. How we will implement those functions? With the help of program only. Okay, so here we assume this program will run on some sort of computing device with physical sensors and actuators. With the help of sensors, actuators, here we will implement the architecture and the functionality is inbuilt in the program. With the help of architecture and program, here the agent will be worked. What is the meaning of architecture? So the machinery that an agent executes on, what are the missions involved, what are the parts? Okay, the with the complete parts, with the complete machinery, here the architecture is designed. So why we are using the program here? Because for working the functionalities. Okay, how the functionalities are right? With the help of percepting sequence, what are the actions involved? Okay, all these are we are remembered. Okay, at the time of implementing the program. So completely here the agent means the combination of architecture and the program. Okay, now we will decide which agent is related to which category. Here we have different types of agents are available, different 5 categories of agents are available. So now we will decide which agent is related to which part, okay, which category. So here the first type of agent is simple reflex agent. Just it is working only on simple things, current situation. Okay, what is the condition, what action we will perform, that's enough in the simple reflex agents. Coming to the model based reflex agents, here the model based reflex agent completely depending on the models. What is the meaning of model? So it is this type of agent is completely depending on the history. Okay, history, internal memory. Okay, coming to the third one, goal based agent. Here the agent only concentrate on to achieve the goals. Okay, so coming to the fourth one, utility based agents. Here the agent will consider achieving the goal as well as preference. Okay, which is the best goal, which is the best path to achieve the goal. Okay, so coming to the fifth one, learning agents. Here the agent have the capabilities of learning. Okay, now we will see one by one. Okay, the first one is simple reflex agent. Okay, here the simple reflex agent working on current situation. It ignores the history, it don't have any history, any internal memory capabilities. Okay, so it is working, it perform the actions only simple situations. Okay, actually the simple reflex agents working the environment with the fully observable. Here the agent observes everything. So here the agents don't want any internal memory, any history. That's because here the simple reflex agents working the environment with the fully observable. Already we know what is the meaning of fully observable and what is the meaning of partially observable, what is the difference between those two observations. Okay, here so the simple reflex agent is working with the environment only on the fully observable. Actually this function is working based on the condition and perform the action immediately. Okay, so the condition and then action. So actually the simple reflex agents can be performed only with the help of predetermined at the time of implementation of that particular agent. What are the functions involved, what is the inbuilt predetermined rules, with the help of those rules only the simple reflex agent is working. Okay, so here the agent have any don't have any learning capabilities. Only this is working on the current situation. For example, if the self driving car is moving on the road, suppose suddenly any vehicle is observed in the opposition, it performs the action sudden brake. Okay, so based on the condition it perform the action, that's enough. Okay, so vacuum cleaner world, suppose we will consider the vacuum cleaner world. Here what is the condition? Suppose it will observe the dirty and perform the action suck. Okay, so that is the simple reflex agent. Now we will discuss the architecture of simple reflex agent. Actually this agent, this type of agent, okay, actually any type of agent is anything that can be viewed as sensors. Here also same thing. Here the simple reflex agent can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors. Okay, finally it acting upon the environment through the actuators in the middle. So after observation, what the simple reflex agent is doing? Here the simple reflex agent is working with the help of what is the condition, what action we will perform. So here the condition is what the world is like now. Simply ఇక్కడ ఎలాంటి డెసిషన్స్ తీసుకోలేదు నాన్న, ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ ఇట్ విల్ కంప్లీట్లీ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద కండిషన్, యాక్షన్ రూల్స్. ఇన్బుల్ట్గా ఏవైతే కండిషన్స్ ఇన్బుల్ట్ చేశారో, ఏవైతే ఫంక్షన్స్ రాశారో ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్, okay, it will perform that actions only. Okay, simply what the world is like now. So here the reply is what action I should do now. Okay, here the action is completely depending on the condition. Okay, so finally it perform the, okay, it acting upon the environment through the actuators. Okay, it perform the acting upon the, here the simple reflex agent or any agent. Okay, agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment based on the observation through environment, with the help of sensors, it acting upon the environment through the actuators. Okay, here the simple reflex agent is working with the help of condition action rules. Now we will see one small example. So here I will consider vacuum cleaner world agent as a agent. So here, what actions the vacuum cleaner will be performed. So here suppose the room A is clean and it perform the action right side. Suppose the room A is dirty, then it performs the action suck. The vacuum cleaner world is completely depending on the condition actions. So the vacuum cleaner world is agent is related to the simple reflex agents. So here the perception of vacuum cleaner is location, content, okay, location sensors, dirt sensors. Okay, so here the vacuum cleaner world is perceiving its environment through the sensors and acting upon the environment through the actuators. Okay, so this is the simple example related to the simple reflex agent. Now the second category of agent is model based reflex agent. It completely depending on the model. Now we will see what is the meaning of model. Okay, so it completely depending on the history. Okay, so a model based reflex agent is an intelligent agent that uses percept history. It depending on the percept history and internal memory, because this type of agent working in the environment of partially observable. That means it not observe everything. That's why it maintains one internal memory for the storage of history. So depending on the history it will be worked. Okay, so here the it make the decisions about the model of the world around it. Okay, here to make decisions about the model of the world around it. So here the model based agent can work in the environment of partially observable. So that's why for the remaining observation they want the history and internal memory. With the help of the history and internal memory, the model based reflex agents are worked. Okay, what is the meaning of model? So here the model means it knows about the knowledge about the how the things happen in the world. That means the history is stored in the internal memory. Okay, how the things happen in the world. The model based reflex agents that could not observe all the things. So what the things going on, that type of unobserving stored in the history. So here what is the meaning of internal memory? What is the use of internal memory? Actually the internal memory is a representation of unobserved aspects. Here why we are using the internal memory? Because of storing the unobserved aspects of model based reflex agents. Okay, so here actually the model of the world based on two things: how the world evolves, how the agent actions affect the world. Okay, everything will be stored in the history. With the help of those history, with the help of those perceiving information, the model based reflex agents are worked. Now we will see the architecture of model based reflex agents. Here also this is one type of agent. That's why here also an agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through the sensors and acting upon the environment to the actuators. After perceiving the environment here, okay, here for this type of model based reflex agents depending on history and internal memory. So that's why here what is the history states how the world evolves, what my actions do with the help of this type of history and internal memory. Here the model based reflex agent is working based on the condition and action rules. Here also this is working on the actions. What is the action, what is the condition, then perform the actions. But here the main difference between simple and model based is the model based reflex agent is considered the history and internal memory. That's only the difference. Okay, so now coming to the third category of agent is goal based agent. So here the goal based agent actually it is working, it perform the actions in order to achieving the goal. Here the main concentration of goal based agent is to achieve the goals. Okay, for this point of view they have many possibilities. Okay, for achieving the goals we have also many different types of possibilities. Actually here the goal based agent allows the agent way to choose among multiple possibilities. Suppose here as a student we have many goals, like software engineer, developer, or go to the higher studies. We have lot of possibilities. In that possibilities we will choose one goal. So after selecting the goal, after selected the goal, we will work on to achieve that goal only. Okay, here also same. Here the goal based agent is decided to achieve the goal with the help of multiple possibilities. Okay, here selecting the one which reaches a goal state. Actually here the goal based agents require search and planning to achieve the goals. Here the agent is searching for to achieve the goal and planning for the achieving the goal. Suppose here we will consider one small example related to goal based agent. As a self driving car, as a taxi driver, here I am moving from one location to another location, but we don't know the route map. In that time we will use any Google Maps or GPS system for finding the route. Here our aim is to reach the destination. For that point of view, here I will choose the GPS system for finding the path to certain destination. This is the information about goal based agent. So here please observe the architecture. So the goal based agent is also one of the agent. Actually what is the meaning of agent? It perceiving its environment through the sensors and perform the actions through the environment with the help of actuators. Here this is the goal based agent, that's why it receiving the information. Here also it maintains the history and internal memory. Okay, so the second, third, fourth and fifth type of agents are maintain the history and internal memory. With the help of history and internal memory, here the actions will be performed. Here the goal based agent mainly aim is to achieving the goals. That's why here observing what the world is like now. Okay, here it will consider the history and internal memory. With the help of those things it perform the action. What action I should do now? So what is the internal memory and history says that what it will be like if I do action capital A. ఓకే, ఆ పర్టికులర్ యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తే వాట్ ఈస్ ద గోల్ అనేది చెప్తూ ఉంటుంది. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ థింగ్స్, విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ హియర్ they know what is the goal. So with the help of goals it perform the actions. Now the fourth type is utility based agents. The only small difference is between the goal based and utility based. Here the utility based agents also working of achieving the goals, but it select the best way to reach that goal. Okay, so for this point of view it choose one preference. Okay, actions based on a utility, that means it selects one preference. Here also I will consider one GPS system for finding the destination. For that only the difference between goal based and utility based is here the utility based agent is selecting the shortest path, fastest path safest path, okay, for reaching the destination. That's only the difference. Here please observe the architecture. It receives, it percepts the agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through the sensors. Here what the world is like now, with the help of history and internal memory. What is the history and internal memory? States how the world evolves. Okay, here the model says that what my actions do. Okay, what is the action perform, capital A, what it will be like if I do the action A. Okay, are you happy with that action? So here check the preference, how happy I will be in such a state. Okay, with the help of preferences finally it perform the actions. Okay, that is the information about utility based. Okay, goal based agent, utility based agent difference is, here the utility based agent is selects the preference, what the preference, best way to reach that goal. That's the only the difference. Now the last is learning agent. In the learning agent, the agent have the capabilities of to learn anything, to learn from the past experiences. Suppose in previously it perform any difficulties, any wrong actions, definitely the agent will learn here from the previous faults. Okay, so a learning agent is, in artificial intelligence, is the type of agent which can learn from its past experiences. Suppose we will play one game. Suppose in that game the learning agent is lost the game, so definitely it analyze how I will lost the game, ఎలా ఓడిపోయాను, what are the wrong steps I will consider. Okay, the agent will consider here what are the wrong steps. Okay, those things, based on those things, definitely for the next game he will well prepared for that game. Okay, so it learn from the past experiences. It starts to act with basic knowledge. Actually the learning agent is act with the basic knowledge, and after that it act and adapt automatically through the learning. Okay, so that is one of the advantage for the learning agents. Actually here the learning agent is depending on the four components. Please observe here the components of learning agents are performance element, learning element, critique, problem generator. Here it analyzes the performance at every step. Okay, so it selects the external action, takes in percepts and decides an action. Okay, what information I perceiving. Okay, what the observation from the environment, what is the performance measure. Okay, so at each and every minute it checks the performance measure, because based on the past experience it will learn, it will come back with the high, with activate. Okay, with efficient. Okay, learning element. Actually the learning agents have the capabilities of to learn anything. Okay, automatically through learning. It is responsible for making improvements. Why here the learning? Because of improvements by observing the performance. Here the critic, it will take the feedback from the critic, and okay, based on that feedback, suppose the feedback is less, based on the wrong actions, based on the fault actions, it will be learning. Okay, so learning element takes feedback from critic, which describes how well the agent is doing with respect to a fixed performance standard. Finally it performs the problem generator. This component is responsible for suggesting actions that will lead to new and informative experience. Simply say that the learning agent is learn anything. Okay, based on the previous experiences, definitely it will learn extra things. Okay, that's the main point here. Coming to the architecture of learning agent, here also this is one type of agent. So as a agent, an agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon the environment through actuators. So likewise here it will perceiving the environment through sensors. Okay, so What the performance element here? Please observe these four components, my dear students. Performance element, learning element, critic, problem generator. With the help of these four components, the learning agent will be performed well. Okay, so performance element, what is the meaning of learning element? What is the critic? What is the problem generator? Okay, it will analyze performance measure at each and every minute. Based on the performance measure, it perform the actions. If suppose ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్ దే విల్ లెర్నింగ్, ఓకే, దే విల్ లెర్న్ ఎక్స్ట్రా థింగ్స్. ఇట్ విల్ కన్సిడర్ ద ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ద క్రిటిక్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద critic also, it will change the doing things, it will change the performing the actions. Okay, after that it will continue, it will take the suggestions from the others also. Okay, so finally it gives the best actions to the environment. So these are the different types of agents. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.